How to use the Southwest low fare calendar on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website. After you're in the website, add all your information: trip, your departure date, departure time, and after you've done that, at the bottom you'll find search with low fare calendar. Simply click on search with low fare calendar and press on search flights. After you've clicked on search flights, you'll find the low fare calendar. You can scroll through the calendar. You'll find the lowest fare in that date. As you can see, it's unavailable, and if you scroll down more, you'll find if it's available. You can select the one which is the lowest. After you have selected, you can press on continue to flight times at the bottom, and after you've done that, you can simply continue to check out by selecting your choice. Press on continue at the bottom and book. This is how to use the Southwest low fare calendar on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.